Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Singh and you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English. With me today, these are the 4 participants and I'm going to give them a very interesting topic to discuss today. And the topic is, but before this, first tell me, are you all ready to discuss?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You all have to give your best today. Okay? And the topic is the lessons that we have learned from corona epidemic. During the epidemic time, what sort of lessons we have learned, we have to discuss about it. Okay, from the beginning to end, we have to put our views one by one. But before this, first you have to give a short introduction for a while. Then we'll start the discussion. We start from you. Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mehak Chabra, and I am currently in the first year of BBA.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Om Patel, and I studies in class 9 in St. John's Convent Higher Secondary School.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Verma and I am studying BBA first sem.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayatoni. I am studying class 6 in St. Pius Senior Secondary School.
Okay, that's good. So now Gaurav, Om Patel, Aradh and Mehak Chavda, these are the 4 participants over here. We start from Mehak. Mehak, you have to put your views about the topic. What do you think the lessons that we have learned from this epidemic? Speak about it.
As we know that we have learned the many things from the corona epidemic.
Yeah.
The first is that the social, economic and the political systems can only go hand to hand when we cooperate with them. They have helped us a lot in the corona epidemic. First, like the society helped each other whenever the persons are getting any problem. The medical field always stand up to the people whenever they need a medical treatment. Whether they don't even care whether it is a day or night.
Yes.
They stood with us. The police officers throughout the day and night, they helped us, they protect us whenever we needed their help. They come first to help us.
Right.
Then we can talk about our neighbors. When we get bored or when we are depressed, the people come and talk to each others to their neighborhoods. So the crystal reality that according to me the corona epidemic firstly teaches us the importance of the relationships that matters a lot in a human being life.
Absolutely right. So she thinks that our relatives and our relationships, it matters. Yes.
I think that it has helped us in many ways, such as we came to know about the importance of our health, the importance of the mask, and many of the things. We came to know that our health is most important in the life, because we faced a dangerous epidemic in month ago, and so this was too dangerous for us, and we learnt many lessons, just like we have to save our health and to increase our immunity system by eating by having good diet, and we came to know that we should not have to spread pollution, just like corona taught us that corona taught us that the pollution in our country was too much, and it decreased the pollution of our country, just like the river pollutions, and
Speak in mic. Yeah.
the rivers got clean while corona was going on, that people understood the meaning of that the country should be clean. They came to know the meaning of cleanliness, and that how to be a clean, and we also learned that we have to wear a mask daily, and wherever we are going we should wear a mask, because there are many diseases which can cause us diseases, which can cause us disease, or which can cause us death. So there are many other causes of illness also. So we also got some experience from this. So I think that we have learned too many lessons from this, and we have also learned the value of relationship, because we have lived 2 to 3 months with our family members, and we got a lot of love from them, and we also missed the family members who was not with us at that time. Hence we also got knowledge of relationship, or the value of relationship. So I think that it has taught us many lessons.
Absolutely right. No doubt it has taught so many lessons. Yes, Gaurav, we want to know from you, what do you think?
Yes, sir. When coronavirus is going on, so that time our country is our honorable prime minister is the responsibility to save our life, and they are right time in the lockdown. Lockdown is held.
Yeah.
So it is very good things because the developed country America and Germany and China, and it is a defeat them the virus.
Yeah.
But our country is not defeat, and our country is a very our honorable prime minister to our population is the very confidently. So that is very good things, and many more things we learn this epidemic time.
Okay. Chali, that's very good, Gaurav. Yes, Aradhya, what do you think, brother?
I think that the corona epidemic teaches a very good lesson. Like we should, people are very serious to their health and their family care. People who do not give a time to their health and family. So nowadays they give a full time to their health and family.
Right.
Now people plays their games like PUBG, Free Fire, and they are wasting their times in lockdown. This is a diseffect, and the effect that we learn. So we should play indoor games like chess, carom, and we get a very fun about us with us family.
Absolutely. So, did you play any game with your family during the lockdown?
Yes, sir. I play chess, carom with my family, and we get very fun. And I think that laughter is the best medicine. It gives a very good health to our. That's a good.
Okay. Chali, that's very good. So you enjoyed very much in this lockdown. Okay. Let's know more points from Mahak. Yes, Mahak.
The corona epidemic highlights the importance of the global cooperation. Global cooperation, because as we know that the prime minister announces the lockdown, so it is successfully held because of the cooperation and the unity of the people.
Yes.
If the people don't cooperate, it will be so ridiculous to handle that situation. And we know, as we know that the condition of Italy, we know that the many people are dying in a day or even in a hour. There the president is not able to handle that situation. But we know that the India has handled the situation in a very good way because of the global cooperation and the unity among the people.
Okay. That's the strong point. Yes.
There are many side effects also happen, just like many of the people got addicted from mobile cell phones, because in lockdown they do not have any work to do, so hence they always time pass from their mobiles. So this was also a side effect. And there were also many people died in this epidemic by going to one place to another place, and because of corona, and many of the people also died. And so this was the side effect, because this was the very dangerous for the country, and many of the countries was not able to many of the countries were not able to control the situations, but India had controlled it very perfectly, but still many of the people died. And this was very bad thing that happened in corona. But there were also good things happened, just like as I have told about pollution and our health. So there are many things that happened to us, but as we know about the disadvantages also. So the schools and colleges were closed. So there was a lot of loss of the students who wants to study more. So and now they are facing many difficulties, because they have to study a lot in the time, because they did not studied in corona. But still there were online classes, but in corona we were not able to study. Hence I think that it is also a disadvantage of this.
Yes. Chali, that's good. Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. This corona epidemic time, we learn most of these things. How to change to any problem to opportunity.
Yes.
That's thing, because it is our country is the because our prime minister is to hold these things independent India. So we learn we can see that our country held made by 2 vaccines. So we other countries to demand to our countries to because in that time we provide vaccine to other country.
Yeah. So somehow we are not dependent on other countries. We are
Yes, sir.
independent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Yes.
I think that Corona epidemic teaches a very good lesson of a care of our family, health, and our time.
Yeah.
Nowadays, people take a value of time, and I think that people are losing their eyes in that days. Like playing PUBG, Free Fire, this type of games, they are losing their eyes nowadays. And people who don't care his health, if they go out and they will get a disease.
Okay, okay.
Nowadays, we forgot.
You studying class 6th, right? So I'm just going to ask you a question regarding your studies. How your studies has been affected in this epidemic time?
I think that it is very bad for me and my friends who want to study more. And
Yeah.
that time the schools are closed and the teacher are not paying attention on us, our childrens.
Yeah.
I think that teacher send a video on us and the
Okay, now tell me, are you satisfied with online studies?
No, I'm not satisfied with online studies because we can't study properly.
Okay.
Now I think that my friends who was a failure, they got who was a topper and failure. The failure one is also nowadays he is also a failure. Who was a topper, he also become a failure nowadays because
Okay.
he do not study on online. If it will be online studies, so teacher will pay attention on the childrens. Nowadays, how teacher will pay attention on teacher?
Absolutely,
Children.
absolutely right. Okay, so Aradhi is saying that online studies is not good, and if during the epidemic time, no doubt teacher has taught well, but students have not been benefited. Yes, the same question I'm just asking to you, Mehak, that how our studies has been affected and how our studies has transformed from classroom to mobile. Just say something about it.
First, I will share about my experience because my board exams was going on,
Yeah.
and suddenly this announcement regarding to lockdown has happened,
Yeah.
and my two paper has postponed, and it has happened after 2 months.
Okay.
And I was so distracted because I just started to use the mobile phones and all, and suddenly the date is announced that my exam will held in June.
Yeah.
So it was so difficult for me to again come on the track for the studies, and I also forgot some of the topics, and there were no one to teach me because the schools and the coaching centers are also closed, and that time the online classes are also not going on.
Okay.
So it was so difficult for me to even studies. And talking about the teenagers, who are in 9th to 12th, they are in that class. It is the base of the student life. A student mainly learn in that class, and the future depends upon that score. But as the classes are going online, no one is not able to study, and definitely it is affecting their knowledge and their marks also.
Yes.
Because firstly the exams are going online, so many of them are not taking it seriously and doing cheating and all this mischief to get pass and to get the good marks. But we know that at the end it is announced that the board exams will held offline. So now the students are so worried, they don't even know how will they complete their whole syllabus in just 1 month.
Okay. So that was very tough time for you, and especially the new session. Actually, that was a time when your exam was running, but from the July the new session started. So how the studies of the students have been affected? That's my question.
First, it affected a lot because we know that a child from the starting is studying in the offline system.
Okay.
A student like to interact with this teacher. Until and unless a student will not interact with the teacher, they will not able to understand a concept.
Yeah.
And how will a student gets motivated if he or she will face a competition in a classroom?
Yeah.
Then only he or she will get scared and will focus on the study. But till now the classes are going online, so they are not even motivated, they are not even taking the study serious. They are just their minds does get free, that they will face whatever will happen in the exam.
Absolutely right. Okay, the same questions to you, Om Patel. Om, tell me how the studies of the students like you has been affected a lot.
Sir, by corona epidemic, the studies are affected because many of the students got distracted from their track, distracted from their motivation,
Yeah.
concentration. Nowadays, many of the student thinks that nothing will happen by studying. Hence, they think that their motivation is fully destroyed with corona by corona. So
Yeah.
I think that this was a disadvantage, and we in online class the student was not studying in front of teacher. It was on mobile, so the student do not concentrate on studies, but in class the teachers makes the student to concentrate in studies, but in online class they have to concentrate by themselves. But many of the student thinks that nothing will happen by study, so they do not concentrate on their studies. So this was the side effect of that corona. And many of the students do not have mobile to attend their online classes. So and many of the students had purchased the mobiles that it was so costly at that time for their studies. So I think that this was also a side effect, and we have to purchase mobiles or recharge in mobiles. So we got a lot of loss also, but students still are not understanding that what is the value of study nowadays, because they have to complete their whole syllabus in 1 month, as the Didi said. So I also agree with her that my students had to complete their course in 1 month. So I think that they will not be able to cover their whole syllabus. So this will be the bad thing for these students who have faced the online classes, because I know that we can't understand many things from online classes as we have understood from the offline classes. So I think that it was a disadvantage that we got, that we have to study by with the help of mobile.
Yes. Okay. So you all have spoken about the studies. Now my next questions to you: how the people have become health conscious? Earlier people used not to focus on their health, but when the corona epidemic came in existence, since then people become very much aware towards their health. What do you want to say about it?
Sir, in corona epidemic time is a because that time in before corona epidemic time people not awareness about health.
Yeah.
Because that's rarely cases, because it's corona epidemic is a very dangerous situation in our decade.
Yeah.
Because first time we saw that this situation, because in this time in corona epidemic time many more people lost our job, and our middle our country's population rich persons are we have not eating food, so that's a loss of these things.
Okay. Chali, that's good. And now for the kids, how was the epidemic? Especially for you, now studies in 6th standard. So didn't you enjoy much with your family, and you spent quality time with your family? So how it was actually for you?
I think that it is also good and also bad for me, because I lost my study and I get a very fun with my parents and family members. This is both epidemic teach us a very beautiful lesson, that we have to ready for other epidemic which comes in future.
Yeah.
I think that in lockdown we learn value of our family. People say many amazing words to their family members. Nowadays they have very careful about their family, because they have losing their family members day by day. And we have learned that online classes are not going, because going on in lockdown, because government do not say to attend online classes that time.
Okay. So were you attending your online classes of your school?
No, I think I do not attend my online classes, because I am also attracted to my mobile. And nowadays I might like my friends, they are also attracted to their mobiles, and they are
Now tell
for
me, if you
both
don't
the
attend
fees.
your online classes, so how do you complete your studies?
My mother say me to do, so after I do that.
Okay, your mother teaches you.
Yes.
Chale, that's good. So everyone, today really we have discussed a lot. Is there anybody who is going to say anything special regarding the topic? Yes?
Sir,
Om Patel in the last? Yes.
Sir, I think that about if you speak about a conclusion, so the conclusion is that we should be prepared for the other epidemic
Yeah.
that can come in future. So we are also prepared for it, and the people now the people know that if the any epidemic will come, so they will be able to handle this that situation that can come in future.
Yeah.
So I think that is the main lesson learned by people, that about the health, about mask, and there are many things. And with this, student also distracted from their studies. So the government can do anything in the future if the any epidemic will happen. This type of epidemic will happen in future. So the government can handle this situation for the students also who have not attended their class. And the classes were also for the students who are studying in class 6th to 12th, but the lesser students, just like class 5th student or fourth student, he had not he had no any classes. So the students who are studying in the class 4th, 5th, 3rd, so they did not get a knowledge about their studies. So I think this was also the bad things. But in future, if this type of epidemic will happen, so government will also try to make everyone study in the lockdown also. So I think that this was the best thing that we have learned from coronavirus.
Okay. So this epidemic actually taught us so many lessons, no doubt, and we have discussed about so many things. And the conclusion, as you have said, that we must be ready for the next epidemic, because this is the beginning actually. In the future, we are going to face many more. So we must be ready. And in the end, I would say that you all have given your best. No doubt, in the little time, in few days, you have improved a lot. So that's enough for us. Thank you so much, everyone. Clapping for all.